Welcome to Foundations of Special and Inclusive Education. This video presents an educator's toolkit for supporting learners with ADHD. Our goal as educators is empowerment, not correction. This toolkit offers practical, evidence-based strategies to create a classroom where students with ADHD can thrive. Inside your Empowerment Toolkit, you will find 8 key strategies. These focus on consistency, focus, feedback, rewards, movement, flexibility, pacing, and support. Tool 1 is to keep expectations consistent. A predictable environment reduces anxiety. Implement this by posting clear rules, using repeat backs, and providing desk-side reminders. Tool 2 is to create a zone of focus. Students with ADHD are highly susceptible to distractions. Implement strategic seating and minimize stimuli like visual clutter or high-traffic areas. Tool 3. Provide frequent and immediate feedback. Be swift with praise for good behavior. Prioritize positive actions and ignore minor, non-disruptive negative behaviors. Tool 4 is to lead with positive reinforcement. Use rewards and incentives before punishment to maintain a positive environment. Keep rewards fresh and protect physical activity like recess. Tool 5. Integrate purposeful movement breaks. Students with ADHD often struggle with sitting still. Use classroom jobs or simple breaks, like getting a drink of water to provide necessary activity. Tool 6. Use flexible rules and fidget tools. Allow non-disruptive ways to manage restlessness, such as standing at their desk or using tactile tools like a Koosh ball or silly putty. Tool 7, Part 1. Prevent overload by simplifying tasks. Chunk assignments into smaller, manageable pieces with clear milestones, and simplify directions using 1- or 2-step instructions. Tool 7, Part 2. Align difficult work with peak energy. Plan the most challenging academic subjects and assignments for when students are most alert, often in the morning. Tool 8. Encourage peer and professional support. Leverage classroom aids and arrange peer support, defining the study buddy role to provide reminders and refocusing help. These 8 strategies are the building blocks of a flexible, responsive, and positive classroom culture. The goal is a classroom that adapts to its learners, not the other way around. Maintain an empowered mindset. No problem, only solution. Thank you.